Imagine waking up to the sound of birds instead of blaring alarms, where your power comes from the sun and your water from a nearby stream. In today's uncertain world, building an off-grid cabin isn't just a dream, it's a lifeline. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where we equip you with the tools and knowledge to thrive, no matter what comes your way. In this video, we're diving into one of the ultimate preparedness projects, building an off-grid cabin. Whether you're escaping the chaos of city life or preparing for a grid-down scenario, building a cabin off the grid can give you both security and freedom. Let's get started. First things first, location is key. You want to find land that's remote enough for privacy, but accessible enough for resources. Look for areas with good natural light, nearby water sources, and plenty of space for solar panels or wind turbines. Next up, your cabin design. Keep it simple, sustainable, and efficient. Using local materials like wood or stone not only blends your cabin into the landscape, but also reduces costs. And don't forget insulation. Staying warm in the winter and cool in the summer can be the difference between comfort and survival. Now, for the essentials. Powering your off-grid cabin starts with renewable energy. Solar panels are a great long-term investment, but depending on your location, wind turbines or even micro-hydro systems might be an option. For water, a rainwater collection system with proper filtration is crucial. Don't overlook waste management either. A composting toilet system keeps your cabin eco-friendly and low maintenance. Lastly, security. When you're off the grid, you're on your own. Make sure to have a reliable security system, whether it's dogs, cameras, or low-tech barriers like fencing. And always have a backup plan for power, water, and heat. Here's something many don't consider. Being off the grid doesn't mean being isolated. With the right planning, you can set up a network with other like-minded off-grid neighbors for bartering and mutual support. Strength in numbers is key, especially when supplies run low or emergencies arise. Now that you know how to build an off-grid cabin, you're ready to take the next step. In our next video, we'll guide you through going off-grid, how to fully transition to a self-sufficient lifestyle without relying on modern conveniences. And if you haven't seen our previous videos, check them out. Crisis on the Grid: Steps to Ensure Your Family's Safety gives you a step-by-step guide to securing your home during a crisis. Don't depend on our electrical grid. We'll show you the dangers of relying on the failing grid system and top survival kit essentials. Under 2 minutes ensures you've got the basics covered in case of emergency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next survival guide. Share this with your fellow preppers, and as always, stay prepared, stay vigilant, and we'll see you in the next video.